In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on a Samsung phone. To begin, open the Settings app on your Samsung device. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find the Settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a little gear. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see General Management. This section contains various tools for managing your phone's settings. Tap on General Management to proceed. Next up, you'll want to open the language settings. To do this, look for the language option and give it a tap. This is where you can change the language of your entire phone. Now let's add or choose your preferred language. Tap on Add Language, which will present you with a list of languages. Take your time to scroll through and find the language you desire. Once you've found it, select it by tapping on it. At this point, you'll need to set your chosen language as the default. Tap on the language you selected. You'll be given the option to set as default or apply. Choose one of these options to make your new language the primary one on your phone. This step is crucial because it ensures your phone uses the language you selected for all system functions. Finally, it's time to confirm the change. Once you've set your preferred language as the default, your phone will switch to the new language immediately. You will see the interface update reflecting your choice. This instantaneous switch confirms that the change has been successful. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language on your Samsung phone. This process is important because it allows you to use your device in a language you're comfortable with. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you need to make another change in the future. Congratulations on making your Samsung phone more personalized and user-friendly. It's always empowering to know how to adjust your device to better suit your preferences. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.